How to take multiple photos with timer on your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open the camera application in your iPhone and just click that at the very top, tap on this little icon and make sure live is turned off. This allows your iPhone to take burst photos with the timer. After that, you can simply tap on timer and just like that, you can simply choose preferred time, either 3 seconds or 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Now you can simply head back and then tap on the shutter button. Once the countdown finishes, your iPhone will automatically take multiple photos in burst mode. You can simply tap on this image preview button and now inside here you will be able to find an option that says burst. Tap onto it and here go through the photos and then tap on the circle icon on the ones you want to keep. After that you can simply tap on this tick mark and then you will see two options, keep everything or keep only favorites. You can simply choose the option you prefer and that's it. You can take multiple photos using the timer on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.